Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark in Excel. Whether you want to mark your file as confidential, draft, or just include a logo in the background, this is how you do it. Let's get started. All right, first open your Excel sheet. Now, we're going to add the watermark using the header and footer tools, since Excel doesn't have a direct watermark button like Word. So, here's what you do. Go to the Insert tab at the top, and then click on Text. From the drop-down, choose Header and Footer. Now your Excel sheet switches to Page Layout view. You'll see 3 boxes at the top, left, center, and right header areas. Click in the center box, then go to the Header and Footer tab that appears. Now click Picture from the ribbon. This will open up options to insert an image. You can upload from your computer, Bing search, or even OneDrive. Pick your watermark image, like a company logo or a confidential PNG, and hit Insert. You'll see a little code that says "and picture" appear. That means the image is there, but you won't see it until we click outside the header. So just click anywhere outside the header area, and there it is. Your watermark is now behind the sheet content. Now, if the image is too big or too small, go back to the header, click on Format Picture, and adjust the scale or size to fit your layout. One quick tip. This watermark only shows in Page Layout view or when you print. You won't see it in normal worksheet view. And that's how you add a watermark in Excel. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.